fadingly lit, we sway to the tune. Guitar strums like gypsy kings, in love we swoon. Candlelight casts shadows, our hearts entwined so tight. Whispers of love in the soft moon's light. Dance of the gypsy moon, our souls entwined. Under the candles glow, forever we'll find. Every step a promise, every touch a pledge. In this moment, love's sweet melody.
Nestled on the edge of the Tyrrhenian Sea, Salerno is a city that perfectly blends coastal charm with a peaceful atmosphere. Known as the gateway to the Amalfi Coast, this southern Italian gem offers breathtaking views that come alive when seen from above.
On the Amalfi Coast, where the sun shines bright, graffiti walls and blue skies, under the palm trees might. Acoustic guitar strumming with the lights impact, waves gently shimming like a dream on the sand. Amalfi dream, where the heart soars free, sun-kissed days by the sea, under the endless blue. Breathless harmony, serenity and peace. Amalfi dream, where every moment feels like release. Leisurely drives along winding roads, cafes with lattes and sweet pastries, oh so good. Soft kick drums tapping bass lines, slow and low. Echoes of laughter in the warm Mediterranean glow.
In this relaxing travel documentary, the camera soars high over Salerno, capturing sweeping panoramas of the glittering coastline, sunlit rooftops, and the endless horizon of the Mediterranean. From the historic heart of the city to the tranquil waters that embrace the shore, every frame reflects a sense of calm and timeless beauty.
Amalfi dream, where the heart soars free, sun-kissed days by sea, under the endless blue. Breathless harmony, serenity and peace. Amalfi dream, where every moment feels like release.
The aerial perspective reveals the harmony between Salerno's vibrant culture and its serene natural surroundings. Ancient streets wind toward the sea, while lush hillsides frame the coastline, creating a postcard-perfect scene that feels almost dreamlike.
En un día de primavera soleado, por las calles de Amalfi me paseo. La guitarra suena tan cerca, mezclada con el sonido del mar.
This journey is not just about stunning visuals. It's about experiencing Salerno as a sanctuary for the soul. The gentle rhythm of the waves, the golden glow of the Italian sun, and the quiet charm of this coastal paradise make it an ideal escape for travelers seeking relaxation and inspiration.
Las flores en flor, el cielo tan azul, el aroma de los limoncillos en flor. Cada rincón es un cuadro pintado, cada momento un susurro de amor.
Whether you are planning your next adventure or simply want a moment of peace, this documentary Above Salerno invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the simple beauty of Italy's southern coast.
En la bahía de Amalfi el amor se canta, como las olas que besan la orilla de la mañana. La guitarra española suave y delicada canta la belleza de la costa italiana. Bajo el sol de mediodía en este lugar tan mágico, el corazón late al ritmo de...
Thank you for watching this video. Unfortunately, most subscribers don't hit the like button, and that really affects us. Our goal is to make your vibe better, so please like this video to encourage us to create more content for you.
Amalfi, amanecer en tus calles. El amor fluye como el agua de tu playa. Cada canción es un poema de amor. Es la tierra donde el cielo y el mar se abrazan. Entre las rocas y el mar, un amor sin igual. Susurro